So here is the Exim SMTP mail server panel that I configure for my another client, and I also install a MailWiz email sending software for my client. He will use MailWiz email sending software for sending email. I will connect SMTP Exim SMTP server detail with MailWiz, and I also rotated IP in the Exim mail server panel. So when he send any email, IP will rotate automatically, and these will help to ensure maximum inbox deliverability. And I also added some hidden secret script in the Exim mail server, so definitely it will hit in inbox. I have enough confidence. And let's log in to my Exim mail server panel. Click login. So after login to my panel, here is the user interface of my Exim mail server. There is the IP list that I added to IP. Here is the mail account. I created one email, two email account. Here is the SMTP credential that I will use to connect with any emails or that I will use this SMTP credential to connect MailWiz email sender software, or you can use SMTP credential with any email sending software. Let's open the Roundcube. I already logged in. Let's send you a test email. Before sending test email, we can send test email to the GMAS inbox tester. Go to our GMAS inbox str. Just copy all the email and paste the pieces. Will write from subject line will be from email address will be no reply at the rate smart tag one dot site, and to subject test email deliver ability. This is a test email for checking our SMTP inbox ratio. Then click send. And go to so 1 2 3 so maybe 50% or 60% mail landed in inbox and rest of the mail landed in spam. Let's send another test in GMAS inbox tester. Just copy then click compose, add BCC from email. Write a subject line, test email. This email is sent for check the server. Then click send. Then again click. So you get the live proof that when I change subject line and email content, first time when I use the subject line test email deliverability, my all email landed in some of my email landed in inbox and some of my email landed in spam. But when I use a good subject line like test email, that you might notice that 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 that means my 99% email landed in inbox in Gmass inbox tester G Suite Gmail account. In G Suite and Gmail account, my 99% email landed in inbox. So you can think that my server is okay from my end. If you don't write any good email and good content, and if you don't have any good email list, your email land in spam. So I again telling you that my SMTP server will be 100% okay for deliver email in inbox. But if you send spam email, write spam content, then you might land in spam. Okay, you already notice that when I send first test email campaign, some of my email landed in inbox and some of my email landed in spam. But when I did a second test, my all email landed in inbox. First and second test was different subject line and content, and inbox ratio was also different. So you also told me to send email to your email. Let me send this decompose. Two will be JNSUYLEN @home.nl. Test email. This email is sent for this. Click send. So you can check you can also check your email and let me know the result, whether email was landed in inbox or spam. Thank you. If you have any question, you can ask regarding this email server demo. And thank you. I will connect this. Oh, I will connect this here. I will also install a Mailu Gmail sending software so that you can check your bounce report, report of your mail server from Mailwish. Thank you. If you have any question, you can ask. Any question you can ask me. Thank you.